Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 5 and name of the chapter 5 is the coal and petroleum. And yesterday we discussed about the petroleum gas and today we will discuss about the natural gas. What is the natural gas? You know that most useful products are obtained from the petroleum and natural gas. And the useful products obtained from the petroleum are termed as petrochemicals, and the petrochemicals are used in the manufacture of different different things, just like detergents, artificial fibers such as polyester, and nylon, acrylic, plastics such as polythene and polypropylene. And hydrogen gas is obtained by cracking natural gas, and this gas is used in the large scale manufacture of artificial fertilizers such as urea and calcium ammonia nitrate. And due to the great commercial importance of petroleum, it is called liquid gold. What is called? It is called the liquid gold. And what is the natural gas origin? Natural gas formed million of years ago with the petroleum, when microscopic sea plants and animals died and get buried under the sand and mud. How natural gas obtained? When million of years ago microscopic plants and animals are buried under the mud and soil, and the plants and animals under anaerobic conditions change to gas and petroleum as discussed earlier. Composition: natural gas consists of 95% methane, CH4, formula of methane is CH4, and 5% of a mixture of ethane, propane and ethylene. Occurrence: natural gas is found between impervious rock, sometimes along with petroleum and sometimes without petroleum. And you know that in India, the gas fields have been discovered in Tripura, Mumbai, High, Krishna Godavari Delta and Jaisalmer. What is the uses of natural gas? You know that natural gas used as fuel, and natural gas have a high calorific value of 55 kg per joule. It burns per kg per gram. It burns readily and it is used as a fuel in homes, automobiles and industries. And it is a source of hydrogen and carbon. When the natural gas is heated strongly in the absence of air, it decomposes, pyrolysis to form carbon and hydrogen. CH4, strong heating, C plus 2S2 means carbon and hydrogen will release. And the hydrogen so obtained is used in the manufacture of ammonia gas, which is further used in the manufacture of fertilizer such as ammonium sulfate, urea, etc. And the carbon so obtained is used as filler in the rubber tire industry. Did you know the first oil well was drilled in Pennsylvania, USA in 1859. 8 years later, oil was struck at Makum in Assam. In India, oil is found in Assam, Gujarat, Mumbai, High and in river basin of Godavari and Krishna. Conservation of fossil fuels. How we can conserve the fossil fuel? You know that with the exceptions of wood, dry leaves and farm wastage, all other fuels are fossil fuels. By fossil fuels we mean the fuel which are preserved in the earth crust as the remains of dead plants and animals. And you know that it is widely believed that it took million of years for the dead organisms to change into coal and petroleum and natural gas. And there and another problem with the fossil fuel is that they are steadily increasing air pollution. You know that it increasing air pollution, and their use is linked to global warming. So it is important that we should use these fuels only when it is absolutely necessary. When it is absolutely necessary, then we can use. And in this way we can save these fuels for the manufacture of different kinds of plastics, artificial fertilizers, drugs and a host of other substances which are dependent on petrochemicals. And for the energy needs, we must look for alternative sources such as solar energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy, hydel energy, wind energy. This will result in better environment and smaller risk of global warming. And furthermore, fossil fuel will be available to future generations for more useful products. In India, the Petroleum Conservation Research Association PCRA offers the following tips to conserve petrol and diesel while driving. Drive at a constant and moderate speed as far as possible, and driving at a high speed or slow speed wastes a lot of fuel. And switch off engine if you have to wait at traffic lights or for any other reason. And check the tire pressure regularly. Low pressure or too high pressure waste fuel. And make sure that you send your vehicle to garage for regular maintenance. Now oral questions are given on page number 62. You have to do with yourself. Why is crude oil extracted from the earth called petroleum? Name the kind of rock layers in which crude oil is trapped. Name the process by which crude oil is refined. In which temperature range is diesel oil collected during the refining of petroleum? Name the fraction from which paraffin wax is obtained during fractional distillation of petroleum. State the chemical name of the major gas found in the natural gas. State 2 ways of conserving fuel in the automobiles. And what is the full form of LPG? State 2 use of LPG other than its use in the kitchen. So chapter 5 coal and petroleum completed, and you will take revision of this chapter properly. So coal and petroleum chapter 5 completed.